Amar sir to share few words.
So, good morning everyone. So, welcome again to this 15th anniversary. I think all of you must have heard of a person who was called the accidental Prime Minister. And the accidental chairman this year. Okay, jokes apart. I've been associated with the governing board now for the last 5-6 years, ever since I think Mr. Chakravarti invited me. So I know all the governing board members, and I'm happy to be associated with the governing board at Hyderabad, and I have seen how the group has gelled and grown. Anyway, let me begin again more formally. So respected dignitaries on the stage, and my fellow governing board members, employees of IAP, and students. Right. So welcome to this function. So it's a privilege to become the chairman and take forward the work which has been done by the governing board and by very hard-working directors here, Dr. Gaurav Madhu and earlier, I think, Madhav Chakravarti, and also with support from Dr. Alam and now from JNTU University in the form of Mr. Hussain. Right? So I think it's going to be a very different year. We are all recovering from COVID. So I must compliment first Dr. Madhu and his employees and managers in actually running the institute in a tight manner during a COVID year. So, when the initial news came to me, I was surprised actually. We have not been meeting too regularly in the panel, and I found the number of students intake is actually half or lower. From around 40 or 50 students, I think you have come down to a much lower number of students. So that is something I think going forward we should be corrected. And the association of JNTU actually will make your postgraduate diploma degree here, I think, much more valuable. I think Dr. Alam has spoken quite a bit about the initiatives which have been taken during COVID time. So that displays tremendous energy and enthusiasm, Dr. Alam sir, and the way you have been pursuing his ministry. Right? So that augurs very well for IAPs across. By some happenstance, Hyderabad seems to have a good industry, student and institute nexus. I hope that continues, and I think primarily I would compliment my panel members for that. All of us are from different backgrounds and industries, but we are just gelled together compared to maybe the other IIPs, and we are very progressive. I think a lot of the credit to Vagesh, who has taken the bull by the horns in the last 2-3 years and helped us to gel as a group. I think he has demonstrated leadership. Raju Garu may not be such a frequent attender, but has been playing his role behind the scenes, and it's just unique now that you are going to have the chairman, the vice chairman at IIP National, Bombay, and also here in Hyderabad, all from Hyderabad. So maybe Hyderabad next to IT Pharma will become a packaging kind of center. But for that, all of you have to work a bit more harder, right? So we heard about 20 patents, the testing that you do. Somewhere I think the course has to become more progressive. You have to work a bit more with industry, get opportunities. This should become a highly sought after, valuable diploma degree in the future. And for the plans that we have made, where Dr. Alam shared that he's been in touch with Mr. Hussain for BS, MS and postgraduate degrees, like Western State, Michigan State or wherever. I think that's the right kind of area to develop. And sometimes you can be bound in a government kind of morass. So IIP Hyderabad is ahead of the rest. I think that effort, Dr. Alam, you should recognize. So we have a very energetic director here in Dr. Madhu. So I think we look forward to your support. Somewhere always when you talk about institutions, the question of land comes in. I don't know why so often. So maybe you need more classrooms expansion and laboratories. So definitely that is one area where I think we should hasten and progress. But this academic MOU with JNTU should strengthen quite a bit. I mean, we should have access to their facilities, maybe with the faculty. You can design joint programs. You can get into projects which are supported. So all of you are there as students. So what do you think are the top 3 trends which will influence packaging over the next 5 years? The curriculum, I suppose not. So this is where you can get left behind with some of the trends which are changing. Third one, anything? Safety, hygiene concerns, very, very important. So I think there is need that, what are the recent trends gets merged with the curriculum. I know in one IIP you cannot do that, but at a national level, since Dr. Alam is here and also Hussain is here, I think there is need for more industry-friendly maybe programs which you both can design together. That opportunity is quite high. Packaging by nature is an applied field. So my colleague is here, Sridhar. So he's an IIP graduate from third batch, right? So he is now heading our packaging initiatives. So it's a very application-oriented field, and I think we should see more and more activity in that. Okay, so it will be my endeavor to support whichever way I can, and I look forward to working with Dr. Madhu and his team, and also getting support from the chair and the vice chair sitting, who are going to be anyway based in Hyderabad, and to interacting with the students and taking forward the activities. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much for your kind words, sir.